This was a patient operated 4 months back. So patient was having an extensive oral cavity involvement, oral CA with skin, mandible was involved. So she was suffering. Their family was unable to get treated. So we did it under Sastho Sati in our hospital. In our team was there. So extended hemimandibulectomy with extensive skin was involved. So you can see the resection, how huge resection was done. Then it was reconstructed by a anterotal thigh flap by our plastic surgeon. It's a fantastic work they have done. Now you can see functionally she is having her food and she can speak easily. You can listen from the patient's mouth. আপনি এখন কেমন আছেন?
ভালো আছে।
খাওয়া দাওয়া সব করছেন?
খাওয়া দাওয়া করছি কিন্তু কষ্ট খাবার, মোটা খাবার খাচ্ছি না।
যাক, তা এখন কথাবার্তা খাওয়া দাওয়া মোটামুটি সব কাজ করছেন তো?
হ্যাঁ।
বাহ, ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ।